crafter's, this is Cassie, aka the Crafting Chef, bringing you a quick tutorial on behalf of Sub This and That. For today's tutorial, I'm going to sublimate this wine koozie. So I have my design here because I'm going to do both sides, front and back. I also have a wine glass, although I don't believe this is the size for this koozie, but my other glasses that they fit, and I want to say it's a red wine glass. Don't hold me to that. That works perfectly with these koozies. But when you get koozies from different companies and sublimation groups, they may not all be the same. So just test out your products when you get them. I added the koozies to my wine sets, and I'll show a picture of my wine set at the end of the video. I added this as a free gift and sort of like an incentive for you to purchase the wine cast set. So I already pre-pressed this on my heat press at 385 degrees, and I did 5 seconds. So I'm going to come in and do a lint roll. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this down. This is the top of my design. I want to make sure that I include the words. So I am going to make sure I have that covered. Take this over to my heat press. I'm going to press it at 385 degrees for 60 seconds. So taking it off the heat press, you can also see with neoprene that it lifts up. Look how easy that was for me to do that. It does lift up. And there is the design. And so I'm going to repeat the process for the other side. Alright, so I finished. Both sides are done. And I'm going to go ahead and place my wine glass in here. Again, noting that this is not the glass that I typically use for these koozies. I use more of a red wine glass. It's just a smidge wider than this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.